So hi guys, today I'm playing Nagaria. I hope you like my video, so let's go.
Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy 4 that was released in April 2013. It was the successor to the Galaxy S3 and it was Samsung's fastest selling phone, which featured smart rotation, smart scroll, air view and a lot more features. And the reason why I'm doing a review in 2018 is because I am thinking of upgrading, and I just want to check out whether it's worth upgrading to a Samsung S9. So if you think it's worth upgrading to the Samsung Galaxy 9, then please leave a comment down below. This S4 only came with 16 gigabytes. 5 years ago, that was considered a huge amount of storage. They did sell phones with more storage. They did have 32 gigabytes, and I'm sure they had 64 gigabytes as well. I stuck with the 16 gigabytes as it was a bit cheaper, and also I thought it would be enough storage for my needs. Also, the S4 micro SD card slot supports 128 gigabytes as well. So here is the phone, and at the time it was very expensive at nearly £600. It has a black plastic exterior cover and a silver metal rim around the phone. The length is 15.38 inches. The width is 2.75 inches and the thickness is 0.31 inches. It comes with instruction manual, headphones with extra rubber earpieces as well. Here is the battery. Finally, you've got the wall mains plug charger. With the USB cable. Okay, I'm just going to pop the battery in the phone by removing the back plastic cover. So you want to make sure you line up the gold metal pieces together like that, and just replace the cover securely by clicking it together. Right, okay, to switch it on, just hold down on this button on the right. It contains quad core of 1.9 gigahertz with a 1080 resolution HD and 300 CPU. And the phone comes with all these apps already stored in the mobile. To set the phone to your preferences, you need to click on the settings where you can connect to the internet. The new Smart Scroll allows you to scroll while looking at the screen. When you click on the button on the left, you can adjust the ringtone volume and media, notifications and system volume. It has a voice recorder, and my voice over for this video was recorded on this S4, which isn't bad. So let's go back into the settings, and in my device I'm going to change the wallpaper. It came with 3 pictures. You don't get a lot to choose from. I'm just going to select this one here. In display, you can adjust the brightness, and if you select this, the screen will automatically rotate the screen when you turn your phone vertically or horizontally. You can set the settings for incoming and outgoing calls by going into here, and you can select the ringtones as well. There's again not many to choose from. I'm going to stick with the one I've got, which is this one. This is my current ringtone. If you want to view the battery percentage, then you can set that to show up on the top of your mobile. You can back up your phone data and set security levels on this phone. I'm going to set, I'm not going to set any locks on my phone just in case I lock myself out. Okay, what else can I show you? It has Yeah, it has quite a lot. It has all of this. If you're really interested in all that stuff, then okay. At the bottom is where the microphone is, and also the USB port for charging your phone. Near the top you have the front-facing camera, secondary microphone located at the top. There's a headphone jack. It also has air view and air gestures, which allows you to scroll by lightly swiping your hand or finger above the screen. And there is a face sensor as well in the phone, which wakes the phone up when you glance at it. And it has smart pause, which allows the video player to pause videos if the user is looking away from the phone. I'm going to set that to automatically update and don't want that set. So here are the specifications of the S4. In the Play Store, I'm going to test a game. So I'm going to download Agar.io to test the capability and its performance on this phone. So before I do that, so this is the camera. It has a 13 megapixel, which as you can see shoots a decent picture. The camera has different modes to capture pictures. There's auto mode, which I always set it to really for most of my pictures. It's easier, it just automatically adjusts the exposure to optimize colour and your environment. There's also a beauty face, which enhances the facial features. Best photo, and it has best face. There's a lovely shot there. And it also has sound shot. This will add a background sound. You've got drama shot mode, which bursts 100 images in 4 seconds, which is 25 frames per second. So it's ideal for quick movement. Rich tone. There is also a eraser feature, which can get rid of objects that you don't want in the picture. Panorama, take pictures either horizontal or vertically. There's sports, take pictures of fast moving objects. You got your night vision as well, take pictures in low light. You can record in slow motion and fast motion. Yeah, so, and it has a built-in flashlight. And I think I've made up my mind. I'm going to stick with this as it does have some great features and it's still working fine. It does exactly what I want it to do. However, the battery does tend to run out much quicker than when I first got it. And probably that's down to not being compatible with today's modern applications, etc. So we'll see. And that's it. Leave any comments down below on why you should upgrade to S9 or whatever other phone you think is a great phone. Please let me know by commenting down below. And that's it. So I'm just going to leave you with the Agar.io gameplay. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.
So hi guys, today I'm playing Agar.io. I hope you like my video, so let's go. So he's gonna split, guys. So I better go again. But I died. Oh, go night, yo, OMG, OMG, yeah. And let's have another giant then, and I don't want to keep on saying this all day, guys. I might use this. Here's my voice. Oh, you will never eat on me. Oh, I exploded. Oh, come on guys. Okay, hit for me. So guys, let's just do this video much more better today. Did you just see what was there? Like, that was a bad go. That was really bad. I'm gonna kill him this time. I'm so gonna kill him, like, so badly. Yeah. Summer. It's a bird name. Who's ill for summer? Who's... I don't care. I don't care for that. I wanna win. I don't wanna die. I wanna win. I don't care. Okay, anyway. Guys, look at that huge blue guy. That blue guy's probably huge. Yeah, I knew it. Anyway, let's go. So guys, let's go again. Oh, and I'm dead straight away. Guys, watch this. I am cool and I am good. Isn't that correct? And bye guys, I hope you like this video. So I hope you just subscribe and like and smash that like button.